Ready to turn real estate lemons into lemonade. First, fire up Zillow, your treasure map for finding diamonds in the rough. Head to Zillow.com. You can do this on your computer or the Zillow app. Now, type in the city or area where you're looking to invest. Be specific. Neighborhoods can make a huge difference in potential returns. Make sure the buy button is selected, then zoom into the map to refine your search area. Closer is always better. The real magic happens in the filters section. Click on that button. Start by setting a maximum price that aligns with your budget. Fixer-uppers ideally come with fixer-upper pricing. Next, specify the number of beds and baths. This helps narrow down properties that fit your investment goals. Choose the property types you're interested in, like houses, condos, or land. Knowing your preference is key. Now, this is where we get specific. Scroll down to the keywords section and type in terms like needs, TLC, fixer-upper, renovation, handyman special, or investment opportunity. Try multiple combinations. Once you've applied the filters, start browsing the listings. Pay close attention to the photos and descriptions. Look for mentions of outdated features, needed repairs, or potential. Finally, if a property piques your interest, reach out to the listing agent and schedule a viewing. And that's how you uncover hidden gems on Zillow. Good luck and happy investing.